Welcome to Food Formulas. Let's make chicken potato snacks for Iftari. Take 2 boiled potatoes. Grate them properly. Now add 2 tablespoons corn flour. Give it a gentle mix. Add half chopped onion. Add 1 cup boiled shredded chicken. Mix them well. Add 1/2 teaspoon salt, 1/2 teaspoon paprika powder, 1/2 teaspoon coriander powder, 1/4 teaspoon garam masala, 1/4 teaspoon black pepper powder, 1/4 teaspoon chili flakes. Mix them well. Take small amount of batter. Make a small ball. Print any design on it. In the same way, use rest of the batter. They are ready. You can also freeze them. Pour oil in the frying pan. Once the oil is heated, add snacks. Fry until they turn golden brown. Change the sides time to time. Once they are cooked, turn off the flame. They are ready to eat.